Hey there, tech-savvy folks! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of reliable networking with the Jadaol Cat 6 Ethernet cable. If you're looking to upgrade your home or office network, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, folks. When you get your hands on the Jadaol Cat 6 Ethernet cable, it comes bundled with 20 cable clips. That's right, no need to buy them separately. You're all set to get organized right out of the box. Now, let's talk performance. This Cat 6 cable is a workhorse, designed for high-speed connections. It's all listed and features 30 Aruban Florence wire, ensuring universal connectivity for all your LAN network components. Whether it's PCs, servers, printers, routers, or network media players, this cable has you covered. What's impressive is the versatility of this cable. It supports Cat 7 network standards and offers incredible performance up to 250 MHz, with a blazing 10 gigabits per second speed. It's suitable for everything from 10 BASET to 10 GBASET, making it perfect for a wide range of devices. This cable doesn't cut corners when it comes to construction. It's a UTP patch cable with RJ45 gold-plated connectors. But what's crucial is that it's made of 100% bare copper wire. This ensures minimal noise and interference for a reliable connection. Now, check this out. The Jadaol Cat 6 cable features a unique flat cable design. Why is this a big deal? Well, it allows for a cleaner and safer installation. You can run this cable along walls, follow edges and corners, or even hide it under a carpet for an invisible setup. Wondering where to use this fantastic cable? It's perfect for both home and office networks. Whether you're connecting routers, modems, gaming consoles like Xbox and PlayStation, or even network printers, this cable is your reliable companion. Let's talk about speed. The Jadaol Cat 6 cable is built for the future. It supports up to 250 MHz, making it suitable for fast Ethernet, gigabit Ethernet, and even 10 gigabit Ethernet. You're future-proofing your network with this cable. Now, here's something you need to know. Don't be fooled by copper-clad aluminium cables. The Jadaol cable uses pure bare copper wire, and that's a big deal. Copper has higher conductivity and tensile strength than aluminum, making it more durable and reliable. To put your mind at ease, all these cables are fluke tested. They meet the highest standards and fully satisfy your network requirements. So, there you have it, tech enthusiasts. The Jadaol Cat 6 Ethernet cable, your path to a faster, more reliable network. If you found this review helpful, show us some love by hitting that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Got questions or thoughts? Share them in the comments below. Until next time, stay connected and tech savvy. See you in the next video.